Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is the intraday video, of course, as promised every day for the 1 hour chart, of course, to see what happened and what's going to happen in the next few hours. So as you can see today in the morning, we have said, of course, we have, we saw an invalidation, of course, of several scenarios, bullish and bearish, during to the volatility that we saw, of course, yesterday. And today we have, of course, a scene of higher prices again and a signal, of course, on the KGT that we might, of course, be bullish with the divergence, giving us a scenario, of course, for higher prices, a finished running flat or probably even finished, of course, here, an impulse as a running flat, which is a 5 waves towards the downside, but is a short wave C because we couldn't take, of course, the low here. And we start to move towards the upside. So basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing your wave 1 and then A, B, C running flat. And in this case, you would like to see higher prices, and this is exactly what it happened. So right now, what we are looking at definitely is not an impulse. It is a double 1, 2, and that because 1, 2, 3, 4, your wave 4 interfered with your wave 1. Meaning no impulse, but rather it is double 1, 2, and we're currently in a wave 3 towards the upside. And this wave 3, of course, might hit, of course, the 1.618 at 109K, of course, for Bitcoin, then 4 and a 5, one more leg toward the upside. So definitely we are going to take the price. Don't forget today as well, passing the 105,250 was an invalidation for your bearish scenario. And here we go. Yeah, and exactly this is what we got. Continuation toward the upside after retracement and continue for higher prices. On the 15-minute chart, we can see, of course, this is a 1, 2, 1, 2 here. Probably, of course, this impulse looks like a one leg toward the upside. However, it looks very impulsive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a wave 2, and then starting again 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. For, of course, higher prices, as we said, target is almost around 109,700. In your bearish scenario, of course, is that you take you need of course to invalidate this, right? So now is this the same place will become, by the way, what happened? Sorry, the same price action will become, of course, the invalidation of bullish this time. So the same top here. That's yeah, it's the same price. Now it became invalidation of bullish, sorry, because if we dive deeper, of course, and we hit again this wave 1 here, yeah, meaning yeah, it's a triple 1, 2 probably, but okay, it still have one chance, guys. I give it just one chance for a triple 1, 2, but not more than this. Now, preferably that it stays a 1, 2, 1, 2 in continuation towards the upside. Let's watch this. Of course, if this get hit before we get the target, therefore we need, of course, to reanalyze what's gonna happen. It's gonna be 1, 2, or it's gonna continue toward the downside. Because remember, if we take this and we continue toward the downside, this will transform to A, B, and a C or WXY continuation, of course, toward the downside, and meaning, of course, invalidation of bullish and looking for bearish scenario. So basically, this is what we have on the BTC as well. For KGT, we can see that this is this is a divergence. We talked about it in the morning, very strong divergence, right? And here we go. We see it unfolding right now. We don't have still yet any bearish signal, strong bearish signal, of course. Once we get this strong signal, therefore, it might, of course, create a move toward the downside, and that because, of course, of the convergence between the top here. In case that we get the high here, if in case we get the high, and before we get any kind of strong convergence bearish signal, meaning, of course, this sell signal will transform to here. Therefore, it's gonna create kind of like definitely a move toward the downside a little bit, and to be reanalyzed, of course. So that was it, of course, for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.